Welcome to another video of GTA AY, and we have this little game called DD21 for new creating game. So, cause you're gonna get used to me playing these little videos. So guys, you're gonna be custom too. So yeah, I'm gonna go look for the best one. Whoa, these are some good picks. This is not even a rally car. What are we doing? These are some good picks. I'm definitely going for this one. No, I'm going for this one, bro. That's insane. Taillights. Braceless. I don't see it. Brace plus. Okay. Okay. Oh, got custom. Custom. Hey. You have to go smart. Do this. There's no code in this thing? Really? Okay, put some red on this. Okay, what should we do? I'm putting Lawrence. Okay. Oh, it's like grill guard. I'm definitely putting art. 100% putting art. That looks weird.
The answer to this simple equation is this. And the peanut. I found the peanut on the floor. That is correct.
Wall side vents. Okay, great bus. Pace Edwards. Whoa! This thing has good choices. Yeah.
It's the professor's invention. I was helping him test it. Mr. Smarty Who? The Smarty Heart stays here. Agreed.
No. Anyways, guys, we have did the customization, and now let's take this thing to the transmission. So, everybody, I present to you the Mercedes-Benz AMG truck. What the car's called, but first we have these braceless wheels, and second we have this Procom that some rally cars have. Some pro rally cars have. Yeah, Pace Edwards have we have a cover, and this will have a grill guard that's created by art, and we also have this grill by Lauren Bonner, and that's it. So I guess we're going to continue this guys. So guys, if you want to see another video by GGAY, then leave a like, and I'll do it in a couple more days.